So if your AirPods Pro 3 is having any type of charging issues like the buds, or especially if the case is not charging, well, don't worry my friend, let's go ahead and see how you can try to fix this. Alright guys, so first of all, make sure you're using a set of original or MFI certified Apple cable and charging brick to juice it up, as any third-party charging tools can cause this problem. Now while you do so, for once you can clean up the charging port right under the case, just to make sure no dust or debris can prevent it from connecting to the charger. After cleaning it up, just plug it in. If the charging indicator is not showing, you can tap twice over the LED or just open up the lid, and if both times it lights up, that means it's charging. If it's not, and if any wireless charger is available to you like a MagSafe, you can try to charge your AirPods Pro 3 with that. Even if you have any Apple Watch magnetic charger, you can use it to charge your AirPods Pro 3. Now, in case wireless charging doesn't seem to work either, make sure it's aligned properly with the charging surface. Now, let's say the case is now charging, but the buds are not. So just go ahead, take up the buds, and then let's clean the inside of the case properly. Especially, make sure to clean up these charging pins inside. And while you do so, also don't forget to clean the connectors right under the buds as well. Now place the buds inside the case. If the LED lights up, that means they're connected. If the light doesn't go off, you're gonna make sure that the buds are placed into their proper slots. Now, bear with me, it's easy to get confused. Just go ahead, sit the buds inside the charging case and make sure that you can close the lid without any problem. Now sometimes even after everything is okay, it doesn't charge just for some minor glitch. So if the case has some juice left in it, you gotta just try to reset it once. Make sure the buds are inside the case, open the lid, and then double tap 3 times over the LED. It'll start flashing orange light and then start blinking white LED. Means the reset is done, close the lid and just charge them simultaneously for at least half an hour. If there is no hardware issue, your case or buds not charging problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.